Hello and welcome to the Big Assembly Extra. My name's Holly Sturgis and I work for WorkPays on the Apprenticeship Support and Knowledge project. If you haven't yet watched the Big Assembly, if you didn't manage to catch us live, you can watch on demand at bigassembly.org. I'm joined with, I'm going to let him introduce himself, but I'm joined by somebody, a bit of a special guest.
Oh, thank you, Holly. I'm Richard Handley. I'm from the Department of Education, and I'm one of the contract managers for the ASK programme. So the first question I'm going to ask Holly is, could you explain what the ASK programme is, Holly?
Yeah, so the ASK programme is the Apprenticeship Support and Knowledge programme. We go into lots of schools, colleges, education establishments, delivering lots of apprenticeship awareness assemblies, workshops, mock assessment centres. We attend careers fairs, we upskill teachers, we speak to parents. Essentially, anybody that will listen to us about apprenticeships, we go in and upskill people, let people know, break down that stigma as well, and hopefully trying to inspire the next generation of apprentices. So as we all work for the Department for Education, why do you think schools should have the ASK programme into their establishment?
Okay, the ASK programme is available to all schools. It's completely free of charge. It helps them hit things like their Gatsby benchmarks, and it helps go towards their careers guidance responsibilities. Like I said, it's completely free, so schools should take advantage of the support that's available to them.
So obviously with the ASK programme, it is free, which is fantastic. One of the things that we can also do as well is we speak to apprentices as well. So we include the YAN network, and we can hopefully sometimes bring in apprentices into schools with us too. So we can give students the real life example of what apprenticeships are actually like through the mouths of real apprentices. You've seen some of the activities that we deliver in the ASK programme. What benefits do students have from listening to people who deliver the programme?
Students get to hear from apprentices and people like yourself, Holly, who give them all the information about apprenticeships, higher and degree apprenticeships as well, so they get to hear about the benefits of studying those higher qualifications without having to go to university and pay for some of those courses. So they really get a true picture of what the apprenticeship programme's actually like.
And I think the great thing about the ASK programme as well is that we are funded by the Department for Education. We deliver on behalf of the National Apprenticeship Service. So it's, it's impartial. We're not there to promote any specific employers, any specific training providers. And would you agree? It's just a great way for students to actually hear what apprenticeships are actually like, but actually, to give them that support through the journey, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great. And it's great to see them getting involved and showing so much enthusiasm with the programme. Things like the mock assessment centres where they're getting involved, those hands-on activities, and also getting them to register on the Find an Apprenticeship website, getting them to look at vacancies that there are available and seeing those real-life examples of what they could be doing in a couple of months' time.
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the things with the ASK programme is that it is aimed towards years 10 to years 13. So within those year groups, I'm more than happy to work with whatever kind of student. And what is also great as well is that we hit those teachers and those parents because, for those kind of generations, they're upskilled on what apprenticeships used to be like. So it's all about breaking stigma. So if you are interested in having the ASK come into your school or your college or your education establishment, you can go to www.amazingapprenticeships.com. You can request support, and that will filter down to your local delivery partner. We'll be in touch as soon as we can, and we'll be coming into your school to deliver what it is that you want delivered to your students.